Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional on this Easter Sunday. Yes, in the newspaper of Saturday, Sunday, March the 30th, 31st. Yes, Sunday 31st, 2024. By the way, tomorrow we have no newspaper because it's the second Easter day. No newspaper. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Alright, 3 puzzles are left. The 3 stars, the 4 stars. No. 3 puzzles are done. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 8283. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one is 15. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10, 20 digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here a dual box, there a dual box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Same for here, 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes then? Let me check for quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about the T-shape upside down? The T-shape upside down. Where you see the T-shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So that box has the same number as that box. Only 1 T-shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or there, I can fill in any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And here can be a 1. We have a double 1 over here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. But also this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then, let me see. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers in this area. 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then, let me think. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So only 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me think. Come on. Well. Well. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. I cannot place the 1 here. We have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. This box can be a 3. Oh well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for this. No. We already have a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Well. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. Come on. No 5 here. Let me think. Need a 3 here. No 5. I'm thinking. Come on. Let me go up. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can also not be a 3. We have a double 3 here. If you place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 3. This box is connected with that box, so we should 2 or a 3. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Well, we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes elevated 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5, and I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This one is connected with that box, so we saw a 3. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, that means that this box can be 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 2 here. Only place level 2 in this area. Should be here. Okay, and now I need a 4. Yeah, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And now, let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4 then. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here, and it's connected with that box, should be also 4, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think, well, don't think too long. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 2 to 4, 2 to 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. On the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes, oh wait. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And if eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. And tomorrow we have no newspaper. I will continue with the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.